What's up everyone, welcome back to new video. So today's video I'm going to tell the strangers to take my awkward photo. Or in other words, I should say that I will tell the beautiful girls to take my awkward photo. Without further ado, let's get started. Can you take one photo for me, please? Take one photo for me, okay?
I don't know how to use it.
Just click this one, then it's okay. Okay. Wait, okay, wait. I have this one, okay? So. Done. Thank you. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Fidekasi. Fidekasi. Actually, we are filming from there. It's a prank video, okay? Telling people to take my awkward photo. Hey, love. Excuse me. Can you take one photo for me, please?
Huh?
Can you take one photo for me?
Yeah, sure. How to take this teachers?
But very exhausted.
Oh, exhausted.
What to do? Okay, can you take with your mobile phone?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Let me check the background. Okay. Yeah. You can stand from there and take.
Yeah, I took. Yeah, I took. I took.
Oh, done.
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, nice. You are a good photographer.
Thank you.
Okay. See you.
Then this one you took photo then?
What?
You won't take this
No, take it for you. Okay. Thanks. Excuse me, brother. Can you take one photo for me, please? Okay. Unfortunately, you know, battery of this one is finished. So can you take with this one?
Connecting.
Okay.
Wait.
Take one photo for me. Okay. Wait, okay, brother. Done, brother?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, brother. You are a good photographer, brother. Thank you so much. Okay. Excuse me. Actually, you know, we are filming videos. See, here's the cameraman over here. Right.
Wow, take our photos.
You know, I have a YouTube channel,
Huh?
monvlogs. I used to do
Oh.
prank videos. So today's video is, you know, telling people to take my awkward photo.
Oh.
Okay, but you know, unfortunately, battery of this one is finished. So just tell you. Okay, it's okay if we put this in YouTube videos.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, take our photos. No.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so
bye-bye.
much.
Yeah, okay, bye-bye.
Excuse me. Can you take one photo for me, please?
You're a good photographer, okay?
Yeah, I know, but just take once. Bye.
You want this background?
Yeah, this background over here. Okay.
Can you just check?
Oh,
Yeah, just check.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Actually, you know, we are filming videos from there. Yes, come on over here. See him, right? We just do have, you know, prank video. I have YouTube channel, that's why, you know, telling people to take awkward photo. It's okay if we put this in YouTube channel. Yeah, it's okay, you know, because yeah, it's okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, it's
Give
okay.
me five. Thank you, sir. Can you take one photo for me?
Oh, okay, sure. Where do you want this to be?
Here, brother, here, brother. Yes, brother, here.
Just see. Is it okay? Hello?
Oh, you done?
Yeah. You just see.
Okay, thank you so much.
Just
Thank
see,
you so much
and
for
then
taking
if it's
video.
not,
Okay.
if
Thank
it's
you so
not
much.
good, I can click it for you. Okay?
Okay, let me see.
Whether it's okay or not.
Oh, it's nice. Yes, you are a good photographer.
Okay.
So you are from
I'm from Manipur.
Manipur? Okay, I'm from
You're from here?
Joy.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, brother. Actually, we are filming videos from there. We do prank videos. Okay, telling people to take my awkward photo. Understand, right? So it's okay if we put this in YouTube video. It's cool, right? Yeah, it's cool.
Okay, brother, for 3 of us, please.
Okay. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to make sure that you don't want to miss the next pranks that I will do just like this. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next video, my man. Oh yes, brother.
Give me your WhatsApp number.
Okay, brother.
I send
You know, brother, you are good. You are a good person. Basically, you know, we are filming from there. We are filming a video.
Yeah.
Like we have a YouTube channel. We do prank video telling people to take my awkward photo. So you are a nice person, brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's okay if we put this in YouTube video.
Okay.
Okay.